Welcome to our channel, people. God bless you for stopping by. I'm happy meeting you on my screen. See, you love this strong face. Yeah. So as the Lord help us, we'll be talking about how to use avocado seed for our head. Benefits. Be good. For our head benefits, and about 3 ways. Okay, this was causing confusion. It's causing confusion here. Let me just go in peace. Okay. You are welcome back. So that one was welcome back from hobby. So by the grace of God, the Lord help us today. We will be talking about 3 ways to use avocado seeds for massive hair growth, for massive scalp healthiness, and all of that. Okay, so by the grace of God, for we the senior taking step gradually into seniority, you know what I mean, above 40, 50, 60, there are very few stuff when we talk about whole remedy that work for us. Yeah, because our body have taken decision to be working against us. Our hormones, our blood, and our collagen is reducing every now and then. So because of that, there are very few home remedy that does work for us, especially when we don't want to be applying chemical to our skin, our hair, our food, and not spending a lot of money. So we just find a way around to make this happen, and this is one of them. So in case you are wondering why am I coming with this strange look, I braided my hair 2 days ago after washing it 5 days ago. Then I put it on 2 stand twists. And after after twisting it, so I put it together like this and I braided it since day before yesterday. And so I'm about to put it in the style, and at the look of things, I don't even know what to do with it. Yeah. So as the Lord help us, so avocado is one of the vegetable. I think Tracy, veggies, fruit. Tracy, is avocado fruit or veggies? Is avocado fruit or veggies? Because it has seed. It has seed. Yeah, in case we don't know, see, there are some things. The other day I was just making an argument of if tomatoes is fruit or veggie. They say it is fruit because it has seed. Okay. So let's put it. I'm not editing this part. So avocado is one of the fruits, according to my daughter, that the whole of it up to the seed has great benefit on human health. Is on our hair. I just love what I am saying, okay? And my hair cannot maintain my hair now. So avocado seed promotes faster, stronger, and healthier hair growth. Okay? Also smoothing the scalp and reduce dandruff irritation, especially when we use it in these 3 ways we'll be talking about today. So avocado has a lot of minerals, vitamins that we need in and out of our body, like in and outside our body. It creates a beautiful, clean environment for our hair to thrive. Am I preaching? Praise Master Jesus. So, and nurture your hair follicles as a result of the mineral and numerous vitamin that it has. Praise Master Jesus. So the seed contain an anti-inflammatory compound that smoothing, inflame, and irritated scalp. So there are so many benefits of using the seed of avocado. Number 1, let's get started as we maintain our hair. So number 1 is when you drink it. See, give me hand. Thank you, darling. So how do you drink? Okay, I think we are progressing. Number one, when you use it as tea, like drinking tea or tea. What tea is English? Tea is in Italian. Yeah, okay. So it's when you use it as tea. Number one, believe it, beloved. Any herbs that is beneficial on our scalp, on our hair, if you drink it, what did I say? If you drink it, like, none of the benefits will has escape on you. So when you drink it, it has more benefit on your organs, on your head, and all of that. I think I'm loving what I am seeing. How do you do it? You remove the back, put it inside hot water for a few minutes, and this will help you to remove the out layer, the skin on the avocado seed. You take it off. So what will you do? Then you grill it or cut it square, little by little. Either you dehydrate it or you sun it according to due to where you're resident. For me, this is Europe. We don't have enough sun, especially this time, winter time. So you dehydrate it. After which, you just parboil it a bit of it, and depends on you. If you drink it without any sugar, because sugar contaminates anything you drink, it is better. Then you are just good to go. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps you to sleep well, and your organ, like, it take audio or water stuff out of your body. It is good. Okay, that is the first way to get like real benefit of it from the inside. So the second way to use avocado seed is to use the water to prepare your hair. To prepare your hair, what do? You grill it or cut it very small, then put it in distilled water. What did I say? Distilled water. Our normal water is too hard, and this reduces more than 40% of the benefit of whatever we're using it for. The water, our tap water, okay, it's contaminated. Distilled water. You put it in the container like this. In case you don't know, I made this myself. So on a container, but not plastic, glass is better. And just store it in one place, not fridge, for minimum of 24 hours, maximum 2 days, 48 hours. Okay, after which you bring it out, you drain the water. So after draining the water, you not use the water to parboil flower seed, and use it to prepare your hair. Hold your hair like this, take the water like this, and you detangle your hair. And after which, cover your hair, allow this beautiful combination of the water and flower seed to soak, to marinate your hair like no more business before you wash your hair with care. I think I'm loving what I am saying. I didn't bargain for this. So I've never make a video telling people come and grow your hair, your edges back, because this is not breaking. This is natural. My hair is not breaking. I'm not like So because I don't too much like it, and this is what I use to level it naturally. Okay, this is what I use. It's a filler. This is what I use. Although I'm not using mirror, I think this camera will help me. Let me just show you now. Are you seeing that? Can you see the difference already from here? Okay, see, are you seeing that? This is where my channel is growing slowly and steady, because I don't come and commission because I want to have you. There is no breakage and nothing, except I go for hair plant here and here. Nothing will make this place will grow, because that is my natural front hair shape. Nothing. Okay. Don't know using normal mirror. I think I will be okay like this. Okay, you see my head now, it look more equal. This one might not be perfect because I'm not using normal mirror, but I think I'm going to go now like this. Yeah, this is hair filler. Third way to use avocado seed as avocado seed oil. So this avocado seed oil, how do you get it? You grill it and dehydrate it or dry it naturally on the sun. Then after which you put it into oil, light oil, not oil like extra virgin, not oil like capsule oil. So light oil like sweet almond oil, like coconut oil that is not too heavy, on a container like this. So on any vessel that can be well covered, hair seed, and keep it for about 2 weeks. And every day you just give it a little shake like this. And after that, bring it out to preserve the shell life of it. Although water is not added, add vitamin C to give it nice fragrance. Add peppermint essential oil and every other essential oil that you should love the fragrance, the scent. Add about 2 drops to it and just keep it. Then we want to use it on your head. This is where people mostly make error. For senior like us, that our collagen had decided to be running away from us without being pursued, what do? Massage your hair. And the best way to massage your hair is not to do so. The best way to take massage comb or something like this and be doing this like this. You will feel the tingling later. You do so like this. Do this minimum of 3 minutes, and after which then you add this oil on your scalp. After that, massage it again another 1 minute and you are good to go. So if you are using this for damaged hair, you will love to be doing it 2 times a week and be washing that hair every 2 weeks at least, in order to wash the dirt out of your hair, clean your scalp, and repeat the process. If you do this, you will see a great result in 19 days, which is 3 months. Okay, which is 19 days to 3 months. Please note that as you are applying this product, when you are washing your hair, still use this as pre-poo, so that as your hair is progressing, you will not be losing it off on your wash day, because pre-poo help your hair wash day easy, sustain and reduce the level of your hair shed. Okay, so at the end of the day, I love what I see. This way with us. This is just, I don't want to feel anything. Thank you. So this is our finished look. I sincerely love it. Yeah, I sincerely love it.